1971 Camaro. I'm gonna walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 71 Camaro is finished in burnt orange with black interior. Burnt orange being an original 71 Camaro color. It is number matching 350 in it. Factory AC, power steering, power brakes with front disc. Bucket seats. And as always, I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, drive it, and I will point out any flaws that I do see. So here we go. We'll start in the front here. There's not too many miles on the restoration. I think it was 1,400. Chrome looks like new. Same with the bezels. Grill super nice. Bezels in the front, especially here. Again here, and the chrome. You got the chin spoiler down there. The fitment of the hood, as you see there, looks to be pretty nice. It's a cowl hood on it with the black stripes. Really nice paint, very nice quality, and you'll see it as I go around the car. So we'll pop the hood. There's the number matching 350 motor, VIN or serial number stamped on the pad. Aluminum intake. Trying to see what kind of carb it is. Edelbrock carb on it, and it's a factory AC car, which works. There's the power brakes and the master cylinder with front disc. Power steering pump is down there. Aluminum radiator. Another thing I want to say is very nicely painted hood hinges. This is quality of the car, and the underhood as well. I mean, really nicely painted. Again, with a little bit of weather stripping there and there. Nice attention to detail on it, as well as the rest of the engine compartment. Trim tag is in place here. An old sticker on there, I thought I'd leave it. The VIN tag is in place in the dash. Has no cracks on it. Trim here is really nice. Fitment of the front doors. Again, this kind of a car with a longer door. The doors do not sag. They close very nicely. I see two little pencil tip stone chips right there. A little bit of a custom wheel to it. The only thing I notice is this glass is in nice condition. There's just a little bit of like haze on it from tint. They must have had tinted windows at some point. The other side doesn't have it. This side does. The interior is pretty much excellent. Door jambs are painted nicely. It's got autometer gauges, smaller GT steering wheel, B&M shifter in it. Seats front and back are in excellent condition. There's no rips on them. You got your seat belts. You got the seat belts that are here. Zoom out here. I'll just show you the back seat. Roll the seat up. Nice here. Nice headliner in it. There you go. It looks like these seat belts, they didn't do the section up there, so they just kind of hang down in the back. You get in it. Really nice dash. Working radio. I know it because our drive home. There you go, 1445. Our drive home. Listening to the oldies, because that is what I like. Oh, did I just leave the key on my desk? I did. There's no bubbling on the car. Other than a 6" by 6" little patch underneath, it's all original floors and trunk pan, which is very nice to see. Back bumper is new. Too little. Oh, nope, that came off. And that came off too. Okay, never mind. Bezels, lights, that kind of stuff. We'll do this, and then I will go run and grab the key for the trunk. And I will show you that in just a second. Alright, got the key. Nice weather stripping in here, nicely painted in here. Under hood also really nicely painted. Under trunk lid, excuse me. That nice quality, like a thick vinyl mat. And there's the, let me just pull this out. Nice trunk pan, not patched. And I'll come back to that. I see there's just like a little crack in the paint right there. Oh, I see another little crack in the paint right there. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 71 Camaro, finished in burnt orange with black interior, number matching 350, power steering, power brakes with front disc. Piece of fuzz off. Factory AC, if I didn't already say it. So we will fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you.